How to manage account notifications on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage account notifications on Google Chrome mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click these 3 points here, click on it, and now click this one, settings, and go down and click notifications, this one, and then all you need to do is just find this one here, alerts, and if you want to turn it off just click on it and click this one here, and as you see account notification has been turned off, and if you want to turn it on again just one click, and that's it. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.